Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a clean template so your respondents focus on content. Choose a minimalist theme or start blank. This prevents visual noise and speeds design decisions. Once chosen, upload a 1600 x 400 header or select a consistent color palette to set tone. Make sure to write a concise title and description explaining purpose. Then add section headers to group questions logically. This improves completion rates and reduces cognitive load as users move through the form. Next, refine the layout so responses are effortless. Break the form into sections and use short answer, multiple choice, or drop-down fields where appropriate. This reduces scrolling and decision fatigue. Once done, enable required fields only for essentials and add helper description text to explain unusual questions. Use images or short videos to clarify prompts, and add page branching logic to show only relevant questions. These steps keep the form efficient and tailored to each respondent. Finally, polish and test so your form performs well. Preview on desktop and mobile to check spacing, font sizes, and label clarity. Small tweaks make a big difference. Once done, test all branching, validation rules, and the confirmation message so users land on the right follow-up. If something breaks, like mismatched logic or missing images, clear your browser cache, duplicate the form to isolate the problem, or reset the theme. That usually restores expected behavior and keeps your live form intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.